Imagine stepping into a high-stakes trading arena where teams battle for a $10 million prize, and you can still join the fight right now. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing MEXC's Blazing Arena Futures Team Tournament with a $10 million total prize pool. Now, this is a trading arena competition where you can win even individually up to 2 Bitcoins yourself, and you have early bird perks of 20 USDT. The event is already live and is running until 2 of September 2025. Now, it's too late to create your own trading team, unfortunately, but you can still join an existing team and start competing right now. There is a pool of 2 million USDTs with prizes. Now, Team PNL rate prize pool, which is a 400,000 USDT. You also have an individual PNL prize pool of 200,000 USDTs. And then you have a daily lucky spin prize pool, which anybody can win, of a 500,000 USDTs, and a daily perks prize pool of a 500,000 USDTs. Last but not least, you have your daily trading rewards of $400,000. Now, the top 10 teams will share the prize, with 20% go to the team leader and the rest split among the members based on their performance inside the team. You can see here the timeline of the competition, and also individual traders, as we said, can also win up to 2 Bitcoins through the challenges, leaderboards, and daily rewards. Now, how can you join? Just log in into your MEXC account, head to the events page, and pick a team that's still recruiting. And that's it, as simple as that. And from there on, until 2nd of September, every trade that you make on MEXC futures counts toward your team's score. Just click the link down in the description, log into your account, or create one if you don't have, and join the competition. Now, something important so you don't miss: the early bird fee vouchers rewards are gone, but team trading is still full active. And joining a strong team can boost your chances of earning from both team and individual prizes. So join the competition right now so you don't miss. And you may be also wondering, what are the daily reward challenges that you can get individually? You have a daily lucky spin, you have a daily checkpoint reward, and daily futures trading volume ranking. So click the link below and see you inside the arena. Don't let $10 million pass you by. Find your team, start trading, and take your shot at the leaderboard before 2nd of September. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget also to click the like and subscribe button, and give us a comment with any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.